Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Strolling Diaries. In this video, we will give you a tour of the 5-star hotel Roseate House. This is the reception area. This is their lobby area. Now we are entering in our beautiful room. This room will definitely give you a luxury experience to your stay. Planes can be easily seen from our window. This is their restaurant Chidiya Ghar. This is their restaurant Del, where they usually serves the buffet as well. This was their restaurant Kheer that we could not record from inside because it was not operational. Here is the outside view of the hotel. Thanks for watching. Do like, subscribe and share.